Hello, Kathy Fife from Create a Life to Love, back with relationship hot tip number 7. Do you feel like your life is so full that you're so busy that there's no time left for you or your relationship? And I want to talk about why this is a problem. So many of us use busy as a way of hiding or avoiding the stuff that's not working in our life. Some of us wear busy as a badge of honor. Oh, my life's so busy. I'm so important. There's a lot going on. But we all know that busy can be used as a way of avoiding the hard stuff in our life, particularly in our relationships. If your life is so full of other stuff that you and your partner are like ships in the night, where you both just, where your life's just full of other stuff instead of the stuff that actually makes up the two of you, then something needs to change. Until you create some space and some time to connect, to have the conversations, to be a genuine part of each other's lives, you're on a road to nowhere. Or you're on a road where over time, the nature of your connection is going to continue to erode. And that's not what you want. Yes, we live busy and full lives, but we need to prioritize some time for connection with the person we're in relationship with. Or otherwise, years and years pass, and then we wake up one day and we say, who are you? Who is that in the bed next to me? I don't even know you anymore. And it's because we haven't made the time to connect, value each other, and appreciate the two of you as a unit. So my tip today is stop using busy as an excuse and start to reconnect and make time for the most important person in your life apart from yourself. Okay, that's it for today. Bye for now.